bells, it is your girl Melissa Danielle. I am here to do a fashion haul for Fashion Nova. You guys know I'm a Fashionnovapartner. I am a size 2X and I am 5'9". And what else? I think that's it. Oh, and guys, I am sick. So if I sound crazy, forgive me. If my energy is low, I need to get this video up because I don't want to wait too long because items will sell out. But I wanted to do like a comfy, cozy haul, like a warm and cozy and snuggly kind of haul. So I'm going to be showing you guys some pieces that I got that represent that for me. So without further ado, we're going to get right into this video. So what I'm wearing right now is actually a piece I already own, but I own it in pink. I wanted to get it again. So this is called the original Trendsetter Velour set, size 2X, the color black, and it is $37.99, so $38, which is really affordable. So like I said, this is a velour set. You get the jacket, and then you get the pants with the drawstring waist. They also have pockets in the front. This is so super duper comfortable. I own it in pink, and I love this set so freaking much. It comes in a variety of colors. I think I saw blue, white, black, gray, like purple. I think purple, don't quote me on that. But it comes in different colors, and it's so comfortable. It's like the perfect fit. It's so figure flattering. I love it so much. Let me show you guys what it looks like. And for those that want to know, my shoes are also from Fashion Nova. I will link them down below. I can't remember what they're called off the top of my head, but I will link them down below. What's this right there? Yeah, but I will link them down below for you guys if you are interested. These come in pink and they come in white, like a soft pink, and they also come in white. So the next item we're going to discuss is this coat right here. This is called Carina Faux Fur Jacket Black, size 2X, and it's $79.99. It's worth every penny, you guys. So this coat is, look how plush it is. It's so super duper soft. Like, I want a blanket made out of it. Actually, this sort of reminds me of the blankets I got at Walmart in my last vlog I was telling you guys about. Like, the fur is so dense and soft and plush. And you see how it sort of turns like blue in the light? Like when I wear it outside in the sunlight, it looks like it's like a jet black blue, like midnight blue color. It's so beautiful. But it's black. It is satin lined. And it has like that faux leather trim along the bottom. And it does zip up. And I like the sleeves because the sleeves are like oversized. So there's like sort of bell on the bottom here. Oh my god. And guys, it has pockets. So it has pockets in the front on both sides. And it has a huge oversized hood. I wear this on days where I'm dressing casual or when I'm dressing up. I love it so much. And I really wish you guys could feel it. Like, the softness is unreal. It is absolutely gorgeous. So this next item is not comfy cozy per se, but it is definitely warm and cute. I haven't even tried it on yet since I got it, but we're gonna see what she looks like. And it's Houndstooth. I love Houndstooth. Love, love, love Houndstooth. Oh, it's beautiful. Like, it's so funny. I don't even know my size anymore. I think with both of these coats I should have sized down one size. But it's still looking great, and I'm still gonna wear it, especially with a big thick scarf. Gorgeous. This is just so high fashion, so cute. It just screams fall/winter. It is uppity, just bougie, just really freaking cute. I'm loving this. It's just screaming my name, and I'm here for it. Look at that. And like, it's like that woven material. Hopefully my camera will pick that up for you guys. So it's like a woven knitted material. The pockets are perfect. This is just really freaking cute. Like, oh my gosh. So speaking of being bougie, we're going to jump right into this. This is called the Extra Boujee Hoodie. The color black, size 1X, and it is $34.99. I got this a size smaller because I wanted it to fit. I didn't want it to be oversized. So it's a black hoodie, and it says Extra Boujee. How freaking cute is that? Oh my god. This thing is so comfortable, you guys. It has a nice little pocket in the front. I love the saying, like, boo boo, boo boo, period. You know, I love that. It's just really comfortable and warm and cozy. I wore this when I go out for my walks, when I'm running errands. I wore it to Target the other day, which you're going to see in this clip. You know, like it is just so freaking cute, and the sizing is perfect on this. So I'm glad I got a 1X on this one. So guys, this next outfit is called Don't Get This Twisted Pant Set. Leopard print, 1X is the size, and it is $44.99. This outfit comes in different colors. I also own it in green. So you get a pair of leggings, and then you get this long sleeve off the shoulder top. And then the back of it is twisted up. So you get some exposed lower back. It's really, really cute. And really vibrant. You guys, oh my god. I wore this the other day. I was walking and I went to Target or somewhere. And everybody was staring at me. I'm like, what's going on? Don't get me wrong, you get attention as a woman. But this outfit, like everybody, I felt so uncomfortable. Like I wanted to go home. Like I didn't know what was going on. And I have this in green. But I think it might be the print. I don't know. But like, girl, like everybody was staring. I'm like, oh, I need to go home. But to me, I thought it was just something cute and casual to throw on, like, you know, leggings and a stretchy t-shirt. But honey boo boo, ooh, it was scary that day. Anyways, this is the outfit. It's super cute, super comfortable. It comes in a wide variety of colors. And I think it's a staple for your wardrobe, especially on days where you just want to put on an outfit without putting on a lot of effort. This is going to be great for that. So this next outfit, you guys, oh my god. It doesn't come as a set. I just put it together as a set. You guys know I love Rugrats and Nickelodeon, like all the old school cartoons. Like whenever I see an outfit or a shirt or pants, whatever, it brings such good nostalgia that I have to get it. So I had this I got these two pieces and I made them into an outfit. So I have the You Little Rugrats cropped hoodie. Pink combo size 2X is $34.99, $35. And then I have the Rawr Reptar graphic sweatpants, hot pink, size 2X, and they are $32.99. So this is the hoodie. It's like a tie-dye neon pink. I think my lights are way too bright. It won't pick it up. Then on the sleeves, it has the Rugrat characters on there. It's so cute. Then it has the hood. And it's just tie-dye in the back. So this is just like a regular sweatshirt material. Just oversized, very comfortable. Really, really cute. And then I paired it, like I said, with the Rawr Reptar pants. I actually own these in like a cream color. I'm going to show you guys that too. I didn't even realize they were the same pants until I got them. All I know is I saw the hot pink and I had to have them. And I love them. Guys, I wore this and I had a pink coat on, which is also fashionable. I'll link it down below. But I wore these with my pink coat and my pink shirt. It was just a lot, and it was so beautiful. Like, I felt so vibrant because it's like cold here, it's snowy. So like to have this hot pink on in the middle of all that was just amazing. Anyway, these are the pants. They're super duper comfortable. I cannot wait to wear them again because I wore my other ones like crazy. And the pink is just everything. And that neon green, you don't have to wait till summertime to wear hot pink, you guys. You can wear it all year round. Like, don't let anybody tell you anything different. But yeah, these are the pants. They're comfortable, perfect sizing. They have pockets, you guys. And then they they have an elastic at the ankle. So I have the Rawr Reptar tee, color white, size 1X. It's $24.99. So it's a shirt like this. I ordered this in a size 1X because I wanted it to be really fitted. It fits really good, but it's still a really big t-shirt. So this is size 1X. And I love it because it has the Reptar on the front and then it has him facing backwards on the back. I thought this was so cute. It's very, very comfortable. It's like a regular t-shirt material, so it's loose and lightweight. And I wore it with the Rawr Reptar pants in the cream color. Really, really cute. I love the neon. Oh, it just pops. It is so bright and colorful and pretty. I actually just got done washing this because I wear it every day. Like, this is something that's made to be worn in the streets. Like, but I wear it around the house too because it's so comfortable. So let me get the information for you guys. This is called the Ready Teddy Sherpa Hooded Coat. The color is Mauve, size 3X because I wanted it to be oversized. And it's $39.99. So this is like that Sherpa fleece material. Let me come in close. There we go. You see how pretty that pink is, you guys? And you see how fuzzy it is? It's so soft and comfortable. I just got to wash this. I'm going to wear it as soon as I get back home. Oh my god. Like, guys, like right now with me being sick, this is like the perfect little thing to keep me warm and comfortable. Like, I love it. It has a hood on there. It's oversized, long sleeve. It has pockets in the front. Like, I love this thing so much. I think it comes in white too. And like, guys, you guys can see how thick it is. Like, look how full and plush and comfy that is. Like, oh my god, this is bae. This is bae. I love it so much. If you don't have one, please, please, please go get one. Okay, I got one more thing to show you guys. I'm going to put it on because I haven't actually worn this outfit yet. I'll be right back. Okay, so Belle, this is the last item in today's haul. This is called Cutie Hooded Jumpsuit with Ears. The color Lilac. And it's a size 3X and it's $44.99. Trying to lose my voice. So this is the outfit. This comes in different colors. I think it comes in pink and like a cream color or white color or something like that. Super duper cute, and they have it too, like as shorts, and they have one that's like a fuzzy, like the Sherpa I showed you. They have one like that. It's like Sherpa with the little ears and everything. This is such a cute little cozy outfit. I love it so much. I chose this color because I didn't want to get pink. I always get pink, and I didn't want to get white because I already have a white onesie. So I'm like, let me get lilac. This is a really pretty color, and I really like it with my skin tone as well. And of course, you don't have to wear the hood if you don't want to wear the hood. But it's like a sweater material. It's quilted. My camera focus. Here we go. So it's a sweater quilted material. Really, really cute. It's stretchy. It is just comfy. Just comfy, comfy, comfy. So guys, that's it for this haul. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below about which piece was your favorite. I would love to hear back from you guys. And yeah, I'm going to go try to get a walk in. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in and supporting me. It means the absolute world to me. It means the world to me. So I'll catch you next video. Until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Daniel. Bye.